Hey, if you're looking to get more consistent results, make better decisions, and even save money on your TradingView subscription, learning PineScript could be your secret weapon. You know those popular indicators everyone uses on TradingView? The problem is, they're black boxes. You can't see or adjust the code, they don't provide historical backtest results, and worst of all, the developers can change them anytime without notice. All the time you spend optimizing your strategy could be wasted if the indicator changes. Plus, many of these indicators cost hundreds of dollars a month. Here's another thing a lot of people don't realize. When you learn PineScript, you can actually bypass many of the frustrating limits on TradingView's free plan. On the free tier, you're limited to 2 indicators per chart. With PineScript, you can combine multiple indicators into one, essentially bypassing this limit. You're limited to one watch list with only 30 symbols. With PineScript, you can create an indicator that allows you to scan and save every symbol you want. The built-in volume profile indicator is off limits on the free tier, but with PineScript, you can build your own custom volume profile for free. Free users can only set 5 price alerts and 1 indicator alert. PineScript allows you to create a script with thousands of different alert conditions while still using just 1 indicator alert. With PineScript, you're not just creating custom indicators, you're also gaining a powerful tool to help you make more informed decisions and feel more confident in your trades. One of the biggest challenges in trading is the uncertainty, wondering if your strategy is truly profitable or if you're just getting lucky. With PineScript, you can finally put those doubts to rest. By backtesting any strategy on historical data, you'll get concrete insights into your strategy's win rate, risk-to-reward ratios, drawdown potential, and many more metrics, so you can stop second-guessing and start executing with confidence. But it's not just about seeing past performance. PineScript allows you to automate both backtesting and live trading. No more wasting time tweaking take profit, stop loss, or filters manually to improve your edge. You can set up automated backtests, simulate various market conditions, and optimize your strategy in minutes. Once you've validated your strategy, you can easily automate your live trades, removing the emotional element of trading. No more acting out of fear or greed. And here's the best part. PineScript is made for traders, not programmers. If you can write down your trading rules, you can learn PineScript. It's intuitive, and because it's part of TradingView, everything happens right on the platform you already use. You don't need any special software or experience in programming to get started. By mastering PineScript, you're not just improving your trading, you're taking control of it. You'll be able to fully customize, automate, and optimize your strategies, saving money and time in the process. And once you start automating your trades, you'll wonder why you didn't do it sooner.